Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how to get the voice chat back after being suspended on Roblox. So first you have to open up your Roblox website, Roblox home, and then simply click on the top. Then here you have to just get rid of home and then you can just type the sport. So once you type the sport in the front of the roblox.com, then hit the enter, then it will open up the new page, and in this contact us page you just need to put your username and also put your first name. So this is optional, you have to just put your email address. So once you put your email address, you have to again put your email address in the confirm address, and in the this please select, you have to just select the PC or the device you are playing, then just select the category, help category, select the moderation, and then in the please select option here you have to just select the account appeal option. So there is no account appeal option in my PC or in my Roblox account. And in the description of issue, you have to just type this same template and you can also edit this. So this is the to Roblox support team. After checking your community guidelines, I can see I have not violated any community standards. Please, and would appreciate if you could look into removing my voice chat suspension. So after you type the exact same, click on the continue, then the Roblox will reply on your email after the 48 hours. And if you do not violate the standards, the community guidelines, then your voice chat is back. Guys, this is how you can appeal for the voice chat suspension. And if you found this video helpful, so please make sure you like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.